Oh, oh, you got one. Oh, dang.
Oh, look at his colors.
Feel how hard the bottom is down here.
Oh my God, what is they made? What are you made of? You're really pretty though.
Dang.
Scrawled cowfish are a type of boxfish that live in tropical and temperate waters of the Atlantic and Gulf of Mexico. They have many defenses against predators, including camouflage, a tough shell-like body burrowing in the sand, darting, and a slimy mucus toxin. When harassed, they may also make grunting noises or become motionless. Despite their toxicity, scrawled cowfish are popular aquarium fish due to their attractive coloration.